Hello all you super geniuses out there. This is another video lecture, Super Genius 99, and today we will be talking about function notation. Okay, so for this first set of questions we are going to, for f of x equals x squared minus fx plus 2, we're going to find and simplify. So for the first one, it says find f of 2, so basically wherever you see an x, you put a 2. So 2 squared minus 5 times 2 plus 2. So what is 2 squared? And what is 5 times 2? Okay, and then next we are going to simplify. So what is 4 minus 10? And what is negative 6 plus 2? Negative 6 plus 2 is negative 4. Okay, so negative 4 is f of 2. Okay, the next one is find f of negative 1. So wherever you see an x, you put a negative 1. So you have x squared minus 5x plus 2, so it will be negative 1 squared minus 5 times negative 1 plus 2. And what is negative 1 squared? Negative 1 times negative 1 is 1. Negative 5 times negative 1, so you can just make that plus 5. And 1 plus 5 plus 2. So f of negative 1 is equal to 8. The next problem, what is f of a plus 3? So wherever you see an x in the x squared minus 5x plus 2, you will put in a plus 3. So that'll look something like this. Okay. So we have a plus 3 squared minus 5a plus 3 plus 2. So now we need to square the a plus 3. Distribute a negative 5. Okay, and then now we have a plus 3 times a plus 3, so what's that? Okay, combine some like terms. So there's some like terms up here. A squared is by itself. Don't see any other a squares. We have a 3a, 3a, and then a minus 5a, so it's 3a plus 3a minus 5a. 3a plus 3a minus 5a, that should be 1a, or just a. And then you have a plus 9 minus 15 plus 2, so what is 9 minus 15 plus 2? -4. Okay, so then that means f of a plus 3 equals that. Okie dokie. The next one. Alright, so next one is f of a plus b. So where you see an x, you put a plus b. So you have a plus b squared minus 5 a plus b plus 2. So what you do here, you square your a plus b. And then distribute, you know, FOIL. So a plus b times a plus b. Okay, combine your like terms. So you got a squared plus ab plus b squared minus 5a minus 5b plus 2. So a squared is by itself. Plus ab, so that's plus 2ab. There's only one b squared. And then you have just one 5a and one 5b, and then plus 2. So f of ab equals a squared plus b squared plus 2ab minus 5a minus 5b plus 2. Okay, so the next one, we have f of a plus f of 3. So we're going to take the base function, plug in an a, and then add it to the base function where we're plugging in a3. So we have a squared minus 5a plus 2 plus 3 squared minus 5 times 3 plus 2. So distribute where you can. Okay, next, combine like terms. You got 2 plus 9, what is that, 11, right? Minus 15, it's -4. And the -4 plus 2 is -2. So then f of a plus f of 3 equals a squared minus 5a minus 2. Next we have 3 times f of a, this one right here. So this says multiply everything in the function times 3. So then we have 3 times the function. So just distribute your 3 and what do you get? (3x minus 15x plus 6). So 3f of a equals sorry, I should have changed those to a. And that should be x squared. Let me fix that. 3a squared minus 15a plus 6. Next, so last but not least, f of 3 times a. So wherever in the function you see an x, you're going to place it with 3 times a. So what is 3a squared (9a squared). What is 5 times 3a? Minus 15a, and then plus 2. So f of 3a equals 9a squared plus 15a plus 2. Okay, so this concludes this video lecture. Hope everybody does well on their tests and quizzes, and thank you for watching.